Good evening. How are you? Thank you. Well, I think I'm extremely overwhelmed and emotional right now. I think this film has been through so much, and to see that the film is finally releasing and to see the kind of reactions that the film is getting, the reactions that, I think reactions to my performance, I mean, extremely, extremely overwhelming. Like I said, I think we're very, very excited for the release of the film tomorrow. It's a big, big day for all of us, and I think it's extremely overwhelming, extremely emotional. I'm also very, very excited because, like I said, I think the film has been through so much, and I think on behalf of the entire film, we want to thank all of you for being so supportive through everything that we've done and everything that we've been through. And I think now it's really time for us to celebrate and, see the film, I think, do wonders at the box office now. I don't think so. I think there is a time for everything, and I think the film has spoken for itself. I think, like you've seen, the reactions to the film has been, I mean, it's been absolutely phenomenal, and I think that is, in a way, the best response that we can give, to anyone through the work that we do. And like I said, I think we're very, very excited about the release for tomorrow. We're extremely overwhelmed. I'm very emotional at this point, and very, very excited. And like I said, I think it's time for all of us to celebrate. And we're also looking forward to, I'm not someone who's ever been excited about the box office numbers, but I have to say that this time I am, because I think it's going to be earth-shattering.